One of our most frequently asked questions is, how does one network effectively? So today we're going to be looking at how you go from connections to opportunities that can help you on your path to create success. So today we're going to be heading down to the Black Pharma Together We Can conference, and I'm going to walk you through some tips and tricks. So let's get to it. Do your best to arrive early to avoid having to do that awkward walk of shame once the event has started. Also means you get to pick your seat rather than being forced to sit at the front of the back. Prepare a quick elevator pitch talking about who you are, what you do, and what you're passionate about. Whilst the event is going on, think about ways that you can add value, whether that's by asking thought-provoking questions, engaging with exhibitions, or just trying to meet new people. Think about different ways that you can spread the word about what you're learning and who you're meeting. The first panel was about the hidden power of employee resource groups, and we had elite speakers in the diversity, equity and inclusion space, with Bo and Tej coming from Jazz Pharmaceutical, Pascal from Eli Lilly, and Omar from GSK. And it was great to hear about how they are creating inclusive company cultures, retaining high-performing talent, and achieving external social impact. Also, I was enjoying this wonderful summer ambiance from the top of the sales tower. Another great tip is to set smart networking goals. For example, you could challenge yourself to meet 3 new people and add them to your LinkedIn network. You can also sign up for any volunteering activities at the next event. You can also find out about different companies and what their culture is like and their ways of working. And one of the best, to like, share, spread the awareness. Doesn't cost a thing. Second panel discussion was titled Reaching Diverse Patients Where They Are, and we had another amazing lineup of Dr. Diggi, Dr. John, Zodi and Satana, who spoke about the importance of diverse clinical trials in global health equity. It was amazing to hear from these powerful Black women, and Dr. John too, speak about DEI advocacy, unpacking the barriers, opportunities and ambitions for greater representation in clinical trials. It was great to see and engage with the breadth and depth of experienced experts that were present in the room. Some amazing food, some great drinks and some wonderful vibes. The keynote speaker was none other than the legend himself, Dr. John Bolodeoku, consultant chemical pathologist and pharmaceutical physician, former SVP and Chief Medical Officer of some of the world's leading pharmaceutical companies. And it was great to hear his perspectives on being the only Black man in senior leadership at the time, as well as his insights to the COVID pandemic and how it especially affected the Black and Asian communities. It was really interesting to hear how he tied together the importance of bringing R&D and clinical trials together. Special thanks and congratulations to the Black Pharma team for putting together a fantastic event at an amazing venue. It was great having us at the Salesforce Tower. Don't forget to fill out the post-event survey and look forward to seeing you at the next event. Let me know which of these tips and tricks you found helpful and if we'll be using any at the next networking event you attend. Stay blessed.